YouTube, it's Urgo. So we're just about at the moment we've all been waiting for. At least I have. I think you guys have been as well. I'm back in Raleigh and I am heading over to go pick up Ender. Hello. Hello. Ender, do you know where you are? You're home! Yay! You're home! You happy to be back? Are you happy? Are you a happy puppy? So, we got Ender back, as you can see. Got a lot of catching up to do, so I'm gonna go play with him now. And, yeah, have a great day, everyone, and we'll have a lot more Ender videos again pretty soon here. So thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, again, subscribe, you'll see more Ender videos. You like Ender, right? I do. Oh! I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care. I'm actually going to be responding to LifeRemade's contest / video, I guess it's a contest. Valentine's Day is coming up, and she sort of had some questions pertaining to that.